play games, don't play games with my heart, ooh-wee. Don't play games with my heart, ooh-wee. Don't play games with my heart, ooh-wee. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornivison, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Don't Play. It's an acoustic version by Animary, KSI, and Digital Farm Animals. Alright, so we're gonna play this with basic chords. We're not gonna be using the K-ball, alright? Because the song is composed in E, okay? Right? A, E, yeah. It's composed in E. So yeah, no, it's composed in A, actually. Exactly, A major. So we're going to be playing that. Let's get right into it. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, and if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm going to be using, check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of how to hold the chords. Alright, so the first chord is... This is, it's derived from the F sharp minor, but I'm just going to be playing it as you bar the second fret and then you pluck strings 6, 4, 3, 2, okay? So it's literally just one finger, guys, to hold this chord, okay? And if you want to like really get a grip, you hold A and then you have your bass on the same fret. It's actually an A6. Yeah, this is an A6. So that's your first chord. Don't play games with my heart. This is an E major. Oh, this is a B minor, which I'm playing as 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. You can hold it as the B minor 7, which is a bar chord, A minor in frets 2 and 3, and then you bar the second fret. Alright, so we have don't play games, A6 to E major, and then to B7. I think there's a passing chord to just conclude that. Let me confirm. So this is the same chords for your verse and your chorus. Okay, so we have a B7 to C sharp minor, if you want to play that, or you can just slide and then you slide them to frets 4 and 5, okay? So now we have don't play games with my heart, ooh. Don't play games with my heart, ooh. Alright, this is a very easy way to play because I'm still using open chords. I know these are not your usual basic chords, but then hey, you gotta elevate your playing at some point. You don't want to stay a beginner your whole life. So yeah, if you want, you can use the bass, the proper bar chords, or if you want, you can even change the pitch to maybe putting capo on fret number 2. All right, and then we're playing don't play games with my heart, ooh. So this is B minor to D, and then A minor to E minor. Sorry, A minor to B7. Don't play games with my heart. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this song. I'm pretty sure there isn't like a bridge with chords. Yeah, there isn't a chord change. So that is it for the whole song. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.